Hello students, I hope that you all are healthy and safe at your home. Students, today we will start with the learning in geography of class 7th and the first chapter is representation of geographical features. Now when we start the chapter, first you must know what are the geographical features. The geographical features are naturally created features of the earth. They include hills, cliffs, valleys, rivers and numerous other elements. In the previous classes, you have studied about the map and the globe. You know the difference between it, and you also know that the map is a symbolic representation of the selected characteristic of a place, usually drawn on a flat surface. Now, you know its kinds also: the political map, the physical map, topographical map, climatic map, and economic and thematic maps. In the previous classes, students, you have studied about the political and physical maps. In this chapter, today we are going to study about the topographical maps. This chapter, representation of geographical features, the outline of the chapters are divided in 6 parts. The first part is topographical survey maps. Second, the use of colors on topographical sheet. Third, the grid reference. Fourth, scale. Fifth, measuring distance on the map using scales. Sixth, conventional signs and symbols. Now in this chapter, we'll go according to the points given as an outline. The first point is topographical survey map. Now here you have a map in front of you. This type of maps are known as topographical maps. That is a new part for you all. Slowly you will understand the things shown in this type of maps. These topographical survey maps, also known as topo sheets, are large-scale maps. They are based on accurate survey of the land. These maps shows the natural features of the ground such as hill elevation, drainage, trees and vegetation. They also show man-made features such as towns, villages, buildings, roads, canals, bridges and others in detail. These maps are usually very helpful in planning about the roads, irrigation and town plans. So students, when we read about these topographical maps, we have to also know what are the purpose of using this type of maps. The purposes can be, it is used as a guide